Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox a Samsung Level U Bluetooth headset. So this is a Bluetooth headset we bought from Amazon.com. So it's cost around 3000 rupees, but there are some offers going on. Can get it around 2200 rupees. So this is a really nice quality, good headset. So let's unbox what's inside to see what's inside. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Yeah, we are unboxing now. So these are the contents of the Bluetooth headset. So it comes with a quick guide. It has all the instructions like how to pair and all. So it comes with three pairs of the plugs. You can use like what is comfortable for you. Yeah, let's open this actual headset. It looks very premium and it's very nice and clean. So it has an on and off switch here. So here is a volume button. You can increase or decrease the volume. Okay friends, like if you just tilt your headphone back, here you can find this charging port. So you can just remove this one, and you can use a normal micro USB charger to charge this one. So this is like the pause and play. Okay, yeah, this is a ergonomic design with extremely comfortable fit along with the lightweight constructions, and it helps you to listen to long music sessions because it has a hybrid type ear tips adjustable to all the neck sizes. So this is a good buy. Actually, if you want to buy this headset, I'll give the links in the description from Amazon.com. You can go ahead and buy from there. Yeah, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. And if you like this channel, you can share this video to someone, or like if you can like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can post in this comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.